Do you love watching sea anemones like I do? Whenever I see them, I feel hypnotized. All those colors, all those shapes, swaying gently with the currents. They're so stunning that many people think they're sea flowers. But surprise, they're actually animals. Surprising, right? These flowers can eat, sting, and even form friendships, especially with clownfish. So today, let's explore this unique creature, from how it looks to how it survives in the vast ocean. Welcome to the journey into the mysterious and magnificent world of sea anemones, ocean flowers that breathe, hunt, and even care. Sea anemones are marine animals from the order Actiniaria, closely related to jellyfish and corals. They may stay fixed on the ocean floor, but they're far from passive. Sea anemones are true predators. Their body resembles a hollow cylinder, with a mouth at the center of a ring of tentacles. But these tentacles aren't just for show. They're loaded with venomous stinging cells called cnidocytes that can paralyze and capture prey. Even without a brain or heart, sea anemones have a nerve net that helps them respond quickly to changes around them. Some species can even retract entirely when threatened, like a disappearing trick under the sea. Today, over 1,000 sea anemone species have been documented across oceans, from tropical reefs to icy depths. Each species has its own colors, sizes, and survival strategies, painting a mysterious and vibrant world beneath the sea. And in that world of venomous tentacles, one tiny, bold fish stands out, the clownfish. Unaffected by the stings and never chased away, it lives safely among the anemone's deadly arms, like a loyal friend, peacefully sharing a home in the vast sea. Don't let their soft appearance fool you. Sea anemones are highly efficient ambush predators. They don't chase prey, but wait quietly, like motionless assassins, on the seafloor. When small creatures like juvenile fish, crustaceans, or plankton touch the tentacles, cnidocytes fire microscopic stinging threads filled with venom. The prey is almost instantly paralyzed and drawn toward the mouth for digestion. Their digestive system is simple, a single cavity where enzymes gradually break down food. Still, they can go days without eating, and a single small prey can sustain them for a week. To defend themselves, sea anemones can contract their entire body, pulling in their tentacles. Some species can shed tentacles or even use bioluminescence to confuse predators. But sea anemones don't fight alone. Many form alliances with other species. Clownfish guard the tentacles, anemone shrimp lurk, and crabs use the stingers as shields. It's a survival strategy deep within the sea. With venom, stealth tactics, and defensive partners, sea anemones are both dangerous and delicate. And that's what makes them so mysterious and fascinating. Think sea anemones only live on tropical coral reefs? Not quite. They're found everywhere, from shallow warm coastlines to dark, freezing ocean depths over 10,000 meters. As long as there's a surface to anchor and food to catch, they can survive. They like to attach to rocks, coral reefs, shipwrecks, or sometimes, a living crab. Though mostly stationary, they're experts at picking just the right spot for feeding and defense. On coral reefs, sea anemones help boost biodiversity. They offer shelter for clownfish, tiny shrimp, and crustaceans, who, in turn, clean and protect the anemone's surroundings. Some sea anemones also host symbiotic algae in their tissues, much like corals do. These algae photosynthesize and provide energy to the anemone, a clever adaptation when food is scarce. From icy seafloors to bustling reefs, from solitude to symbiosis, sea anemones are more than stationary creatures. They're living proof of nature's incredible adaptability. What if a tiny fish called a deadly stinging anemone home? For the clownfish, it's not just shelter, it's a lifelong partner. Sea anemones are covered in thousands of stinging cells, cnidocytes, that can kill most fish. But clownfish are immune, protected by a unique mucus layer on their skin. Clownfish train themselves to live with anemones by gently brushing against the tentacles over hours or days, allowing their bodies to adapt. It's a learned behavior, not just instinct. Once accepted, the two form a biological alliance. The clownfish defends the anemone from butterflyfish and clears debris. The anemone offers shelter from predators. This relationship isn't by chance, it's the product of millions of years of co-evolution. A stunning model of how two completely different species become inseparable. To science, it's mutualistic symbiosis, where both sides benefit. To us, it's an extraordinary, enduring, and inspiring friendship beneath the waves. Sea anemones may look like soft ocean flowers, but don't be fooled. They carry a hidden arsenal of biological weapons. Their body consists of a cylindrical column, a base for anchoring, and a crown of soft tentacles around the mouth. These tentacles are packed with stinging cells called cnidocytes. Each cnidocyte houses a tiny capsule, nematocyst, coiled with a microscopic harpoon. Upon stimulation, the harpoon fires at lightning speed, injecting venom into prey or predators in under a millisecond. Their venom can paralyze small fish and crustaceans, and sometimes cause a burning sting to humans. But this defense makes them excellent hunters and formidable defenders. Some species can retract entirely into rock crevices when threatened. They're not just fighters, they're skilled at hiding, too. Sea anemones beautifully blend grace and danger in one creature. Gentle with friends like clownfish, but merciless to strangers. If you think sea anemones just float gently with the current, think again. They possess a surprisingly diverse and remarkable reproductive life. Sea anemones can reproduce sexually and asexually, depending on environmental conditions. Some are hermaphrodites, while others are male or female, and some can even change sex over time. During sexual reproduction, anemones release eggs and sperm into the water. Fertilization happens externally, a silent yet wondrous exchange among individuals in the same habitat. The fertilized egg develops into a free-swimming larva called a planula, which drifts until it settles and transforms into an adult. This phase determines how widely the species can spread. Many species can also reproduce asexually through splitting, budding, or even regenerating from body fragments, where each piece grows into a whole new anemone. They may not care for their young like mammals do, but their diverse reproductive strategies have sustained them for millions of years. And guess what? In the wild, clownfish usually settle in healthy, mature sea anemones, as if choosing a safe nursery. So even though sea anemones don't raise their own babies, they end up protecting someone else's. Have you ever thought that a jelly-like, soft-bodied creature could play a crucial role in maintaining the health of an entire marine ecosystem? By offering safe shelter to small fish, crustaceans, and plankton, anemones help stabilize coral reef food webs. Their presence supports the structural balance of reef environments, which are highly sensitive to environmental changes. Not only are they homes, but sea anemones also act as natural biofilters, absorbing organic particles and contributing to cleaner, healthier waters. The mutualism between anemones and species like clownfish, shrimp, and damselfish is a living testament to evolutionary cooperation, where both partners gain survival advantages. Studies show reefs with sea anemones often have higher biodiversity and stronger resilience against climate disturbances. So while they may not be as flashy as sharks or corals, sea anemones are truly an indispensable puzzle piece in ocean ecosystems. Sea anemones may appear delicate, but they are surprisingly resilient. However, in the face of escalating climate change, even these hardy creatures are under serious threat. Rising ocean temperatures alter oxygen levels and water acidity, disrupting their ability to anchor, reproduce, and maintain soft tissue health. One major concern is anemone bleaching, a phenomenon similar to coral bleaching, where essential symbiotic algae are lost. This weakens the anemone, drains its color, and lowers its chances of survival. Not only the anemones suffer, but so do the species that rely on them, like clownfish and cleaner shrimp. Still, recent studies reveal a glimmer of hope. Some sea anemone species show remarkable adaptability, thriving in warm, low oxygen, and acidic environments. This gives us reason to believe, if we protect coral reefs, cut greenhouse emissions, and preserve marine balance, then sea anemones and their ocean companions can still have a vibrant future. And that wraps up our deep dive into the world of sea anemones, creatures that look like ocean flowers, but are full of surprises. If you were amazed by their strength, intelligence, and unique partnerships in nature, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel so we can explore more weird and wonderful marine life together. And if you've already fallen in love with sea anemones like I have, Speech balloon. Leave a comment below and tell me what fascinated you the most. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and stay curious.